Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with UNice Hair. So here I am showing you everything that you get when you unbox your new wig. You get a lot of goodies. My favorite is probably the edge brush. It's one of the best. Okay, it's nice and firm, so love that. Here is the wig today. I have this Easicontour Vpart body wave wig. This is what the inside looks like. You do get an adjustable strap, and the wig is a one size fits all, but it comes with this drawstring in the back so you can make sure the back of your wig is nice and snug. And then there's another little piece that you pull down as well, and that just holds it in place. And here I am trying the wig on for you guys so you can see what it looks like right out the package. Honestly, if your hair is straightened, you can put this wig on and go. It is a body wave texture, so I'm not sure how they got these curls. It's like pre-curled when you get it, so if you want, you really don't have to do anything. Just blend your leave out and go. So I'm going to show you how it looks after you section off your leave out. And with this Easicontour V-part wig, if you wanted to leave out a teeny bit of hair, you could also do that since the hair is already like folded over. The blend should be very seamless, but for me, I like a little more leave out than I would say the normal person. That's just my personal preference. And you guys also know that 9 times out of 10 my hair isn't braided down, so this time I'm just going in with a wig cap, and I'm just stuffing my hair in the wig cap. Honestly, since my hair is straightened, it's pretty flat, so normally I would go with a little low ponytail, but we're using a wig cap today. Then we're just going to cut the little string. Someone commented on one of my previous videos asking like what do they do with this string, and you just cut that. You don't leave that on, you just cut that. I think it's just holding your wig in place, and I guess it gives the company a way to know that you didn't already wear the hair if you needed to return it. So yeah, you just cut that, and then you're free to clip your wig however you want. So once I clip it in place, I just make sure the back is adjusted how it needs to be, and then I'm going to go in with the adjustable strap, and we're going to pull that as tight as we need to so that the wig fits, because this is a one size fits all situation. You need to adjust it so it'll fit your head. And for the details, this is a 24-inch body wave texture wig. The density is 150% density, so it's more so on the natural side. So yeah, I'm just brushing the curls out so you guys can see what it looks like. The blend process for this one is going to be super easy because my hair is already straight. So typically if your hair wasn't straight, of course you would just go in, blow dry, flat iron, whatever you need to do, and it should blend really easily. And I'm just showing you guys how nice and secure the wig is. It's literally not going anywhere with the clips and the drawstring in the back. Your wig is nice and secure. So here I'm going in with a middle part because my bank is growing out, so I can finesse a cute little middle part situation. I love that for me. And yeah, I didn't add any extra heat on this part because like I said, my hair is already straightened. Sorry if I said that a million times, but my hair is already straightened, so I'm just combing it and then brushing it to blend in. And if you left out less leave out than me, then this step would probably have been 5 seconds long. But here's what it looks like. You can easily go out the door with your hair like this. I'm going to pull out some of my edges so that when the wind blows, or if I wanted to do a little tuck behind the ear, I have the option to do that. It's nice and flat. It blends all around, and the color of this wig is a natural black, so I didn't dye it or anything because I normally dye my natural hair, but it's fading a bit, so I've just been going with whatever color the wigs come, and they blend pretty well. She's cute. She's a moment. She's not going anywhere. So I'm just shaking it on up so you guys can see. Gone with the Wind, fabulous. But if you wanted to step it up a notch and do something a little bit different, I'm just going to give you another option of how you can wear these Vpart wigs. They're super versatile. So here I am just going to go in with my little itty bitty wand curler. You can use whatever size you want, but I like the way that the mini one, well, the skinny one curls. Even if you're not trying to get like a tight curl, you can get a you can get a good size curl with the curling wand. So when I do actually curl the hair, here we go. This is the wand curler I'm using. It's like a pencil wand curler. I got this from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll link it below. But I'm just gonna wand the hair because I wanted it to be a little more voluminous and big. And we're gonna go with the half up, half down situation so I can show you how easy it is to transform this wig.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some similar change to me. I war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight. He was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside.
Okay, so all done curling the hair. Took like 25 minutes. I also didn't want to burn myself, so I kind of took my time, but curling is the easy part and putting it in a ponytail is also the easy part. If your wig fits nice and secure and it lays flat, this process is so easy. It literally feels like your own hair. So I'm just brushing it up to form the ponytail. Me curling this piece did absolutely nothing because I ended up just wrapping my natural hair that was left out around the ponytail holder. This part is totally up to you. You can leave out or put in as much hair as you want. I know I wanted the top to not be super full, if that makes any sense. I just want a little bit of hair in my ponytail, so that's all I did. And yeah, you need to make sure that you have enough hair out around your edges so that it can cover the end of the wig. But also if you curled your hair a little tighter, it'll all blend. You wouldn't see anything. It's almost given like the flip over method, how you can easily like put your hair in a ponytail. That's all. But yeah, I'm just putting a ponytail holder on, and everything else you're about to see is pretty easy to follow. So I'm just gonna be quiet. And then what you do with your actual leave out is just use that to wrap around your hair tie, and that's the blend. You don't really have to do much else. Literally none of your hair is out technically because you know it's all brushed up. I don't use any bobby pins or anything. All I do is wrap it like twice so there's still hair left out, and I just tuck the rest of it through the back of the hair tie so it's sticking out in the back, but your hair is covering it up so you can't see it. Normally when I use bobby pins, it's either one, uncomfortable, or two, it unravels. So this way, the ponytail is not unraveling, and that's perfect. And then I'm just going to fluff it out, get it to the position that I'm happy with, and that's all we're going to do. And what's a style without edges? It's not a style. So I'm going in with the UNice edge brush, which is so firm, like it's gonna get the edges laid because it's a stiff edge brush, and it comes with a replaceable head. That's even better. I have a million edge brushes, and this is my favorite for sure, but I'm just going in with edge control. I'll link the one that I used down below, but that's it. And it's pretty comfortable. The clips are comfortable. I will say that if the clips are uncomfortable, you have to adjust them before you do any styling, or else you can risk like pulling your hair or just a bald spot. We don't want that. So make sure the clips are comfortable before you get into a style like this, because you're probably going to be wearing this all day long. But that's it. I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as the link to the wig that I'm wearing. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.